Introducing Leo Solutions Africa. This platform is mostly designed for those that want to discover the universe. Our major focus is commercializing low Earth orbit. What is low Earth orbit? Low Earth orbit is traveling approximately 2,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. This enables spacecraft and satellites to complete an orbital period within 128 minutes. Now, let's unveil the mysteries of the cosmos. I'd like to share a greeting from our founding member, Makadini, Sawubona, Molo, Kanjan. Assalamu alaikum, bonjour, salam, wagwan. At Leo Solutions Africa, we explore the vastness of space with NASA. Now, here's our business model. This model applies to all those who want to partner and collaborate with us. Let's look at the first segment, which is scientific data and Earth observation. The second segment is low Earth orbit travel, also known as space tourism. The third segment is commercial partnerships and services. And then the fourth segment, this is our segment, direct public engagement and education. Through this application was made possible. Now, having understood our business model, let's look at Earth observation to have a deeper understanding. Within Earth observation, we offer the following services and products. Firstly, Leo Solutions Africa has core data products. This includes raw and processed data. They are the foundational offerings, often sold as a subscription, data feed, or one-time collection. Now, let's move on to our second segment, it being low Earth orbit travel. Low Earth orbit travel, also known as space travel, highlights the possibilities of low Earth orbit. This industry is rapidly expanding, driven by commercial space ventures in three main areas: tourism, commerce or manufacturing, and research or development. LEO is generally defined as the region between 160 kilometers and 2,000 kilometers above Earth's surface, as mentioned earlier. The duration can be longer. If you're interested in space tourism or space travel, please do book a consultation. Our contact specialist, Miss Tinashe Zengerere, is available and happy to serve you. Now, let's move on to our third segment, that is being the commercial partnerships and services. We believe partnerships to be the commercial ecosystem. One of our products involves the LEO satellite connectivity service. I would like to commend one of our students at Africa University who designed a groundbreaking invention. His company is known as Starbridge Engineering or Starbridge Innovations, based in Zimbabwe. What's unique about this invention is the architecture of his constellations and the way his infrastructure is set up. That uniquely so made his invention quite remarkable. So Starbridge is our close partner, especially in the segment of satellite connectivity. So the reason why I'm adding emphasis on satellite connectivity services is because it is the largest and most developed LEO commercial market. It's built on massive constellations providing internet and data services. This involves broadband internet, enterprise and government solutions, cellular backhaul, network resilience, and lastly, direct-to-device D2D connectivity. The possibilities are endless. So, if you're interested in LEO satellite connectivity, that's broadband internet, or in space infrastructure and transportation, which may involve crew and cargo transportation, then book a consultation. Maybe we can collaborate and take advantage of your services. We are not the middleman. We are the pioneer. We are the bridge between those that have the resources and those that want to use the resources. Now let's look at our fourth and last segment, the one which made this research project possible, which is the direct public engagement and education. Guys, trust in science, trust in education. Science is education. In this segment, we focus on direct public engagement and education, particularly in the context of low Earth orbit, LEO, and the space industry. We shall focus on intentional and bi-directional interactions between scientists, engineers, space agencies, and the non-specialist public domain. So you see, everyone is part of this race. Everyone shares an equal role, and everyone is accountable. The primary goal is to foster mutual learning, to build trust in science, and to inspire the next generation, thereby securing long-term public support and a strong future workforce for the space economy. Now, here's our core philosophy of direct engagement. Direct communicating the goals, risks, and benefits of complex, often publicly funded space projects like the International Space Station or new commercial LEO stations. To maintain public trust is our mandate. We have three attributes which we follow. The bi-directional interaction, which involves mutual learning, transparency and trust building, and then lastly, inspiring the next generation. We want to use the awe factor of space, especially the visible presence of humans in LEO, to encourage students to pursue careers in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Now, for all educational institutions, be it primary, secondary, higher education, or tertiary, or for those who have evolved extensively, we've got the quaternary institutions. Here are our key educational and outreach projects. We believe the rise of commercial LEO economy is creating new and more direct channels for public engagement. So here are the possibilities, academic institutions. We've got the Astronaut as Educator program. This is a commercial mission, e.g. the Axiom Space, SpaceX Inspiration 4, which often include mission specialists or private astronauts who dedicate part of their time in orbit to educational activities, such as downlinking live videos to classrooms. So this is basically Google Meet lessons or Zoom meetings in space broadcasted on motherland Earth. Our second segment is the private R&D platform. This is a commercial LEO facility which provides new opportunities for companies and educational institutions to sponsor research. That is important, especially for growth. I hope you're listening, Africa University, University of Pretoria, Yale University, University of Groningen, just to name a few. Oh, and the Pearson's Institute of Higher Education. This allows more diverse groups to directly participate and market a space mission. Stellenbosch University, I hope you're listening, University of Cape Town, and the University of Witwatersrand. Then our third segment is increased visibility. The sheer volume of LEO satellites, Starlink and OneWeb, just to name a few, are the frequent launches by private companies like SpaceX, who promote public conversation and boost awareness, which improves engagement more broadly than previous government-only efforts. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. That's okay. So if you're interested as an educational institution to any of this information, please book a consultation. And then lastly, if you want to contact us, like I've said, we've got our contact specialist and project coordinator, Mrs. Tinashe Mzengerere. And I would like you to meet the team. We've got our space mission director, Dr. Tendai Zengeni, our lead space engineer, Engineer Joshua Tike Nyoni, our lead space scientist, Mr. Anesu C. Gochero, our space technology innovator, Mr. Stuart Rice, our space data analyst, Mrs. Elizabeth A. Gopo, our space exploration pioneer, Mrs. Prosperity Jerry, our astrophotography specialist, Engineer Wimbainashe J. Mawoyo, our space research advisor, Ms. Jikomborero N. Shawa, and our contact specialist, Ms. Tinashe Mzengerere. We're open to donations. If you feel like you'd like to buy a share of this company, then shares are open. Starting price today is $9.99. So your donations aren't all for nothing. You're getting something in return. And once again, for the donation process, whether it's one time, monthly, or yearly, contact Miss Tinashe Mzengerere for the way forward, and she'll assist you. This is one world, one love, one mission. So let's get it. I think commercializing low Earth orbit is the next endeavor. I'm so excited.
Thank you so much, Chair. I just wanted to be excused because I have another meeting starting now.
Okay, that's all right. At least you managed to join us for 1 hour, so yeah. Greatly appreciated, and I hope you enjoyed the journey of Leo Solutions Africa, and I hope to have you again soon. Thank you.
Thank you.